Alright, in this lesson we're going to take a look at formatting cells. So we got is kind of like a lunch menu that we're going to be working with here. So the first step says change the cell style in cells A2 through H2 to accent 3. A2 through H2, so we're going to select A2 and then use the circles to click and drag to H2 where it says Saturday, and then we're going to click on the format button here in the middle, and it's kind of hard to tell which accent 3 is, so really if you want to just pick any color that'd probably be okay. So I'm going to go with this blue color. Alright, then we're going to change the font size of row 1 to 36 and the font size for the rest of the rows to 18. So we're going to select row 1 by clicking on the number, and we're going to change the font size to 36. So we're going to click on the number here, and we're going to scroll for font size to 36. And we're going to select everything else. So I'm going to click and then drag down. So I selected A2, row 2, and then I'm going to use the dot to scroll to drag down and select the rest of the rows. And I'm going to change that to 18. Boom. Alright, then it says bold and underline the text in row 2. So I'm going to select row 2 on the left hand side by clicking the number again. And I'm going to click bold and underline just up in the formatting here. So bold and underline, and there they are. And I'm going to change the font of row 1 to a font of my choice, so you can pick anything that makes you happy. So let's see. I'm going to go with this Bakersville. Oh, sorry, that was supposed to be row 1. We'll go row 1 here, and Bakersville. Alright, and then it says change the rest of the rows to a different font of your choice. So row 1 has its own font, the rest of the rows are going to have its own font. I'm going to pick another one. Boom. There you go, looking good. And then we're going to change the font color of row 1 to a color of our choice. So I'm going to pick row 1, font color. So I'll click on the A next to the paint bucket here, and I'm going to choose a font color. Let's see. Yeah, that blue looks alright. Perfect. Alrighty, and then select all of the text on the worksheet and change the alignments to horizontal alignment and vertical alignment to center alignment. So what that means is we're just going to, like in a regular Word document, we can align left, right, and center and justified. We can also align up and down vertically with spreadsheets. So just like we did before, in between column A and row 1, there's that triangle. I'm going to click that to select everything in my workbook. I'm going to click the alignment tool in the middle of our ribbon, and we are going to do middle and center. So just like we were saying, top, middle, bottom, left, right, center. So up and down, left to right. Once we have center and middle selected, it will look like a lunch menu. And that is it for this lesson.